Okay, we got a MSI laptop here. It is a modern 14-B11MOL. It's a budget model, 14 inch. Let's have a look. We're gonna replace it with a Toshiba. Sorry, I'm replacing a Toshiba model with this for a client. We'll be more than happy. So this is the unboxing. Turn it on and have a look, play around. 256 DDR4 8GB i3 11th gen, full HD, nice. Let's have a look. Very similar to Asus charger and Lenovo. Font is same as the Asus, 19 volt 3.42, 65 watt adapter, but it's got a pin in the middle, so a different style. That's near me. This is a service center, which is nice. Wow, a lot of grills and a lot of exposed area. That is bad. One liquid spill and you're gone. Okay. That's their new logo, MSI. They follow the similar design as the HP. The back of the LCD pushes the bottom out. One problem with this design, the hinges can break easily. If most of the time people are doing this, they're putting pressure here, lifting up, which is against the force, and obviously cracking the hinge. But it allows a very nice increase. On the bottom, see that? I can even put this right underneath. See? That's nice. Okay. So it's got an anti-glare screen. This is a matte finish. Nice big keys. That's a bit weird, but mainly control is nice and big. I like that. Control C, Alt Tab. Beautiful. Power. Battery's low. The logo doesn't stand out as much. It's very subtle, which is nice. The camera at the top. It's got two microphones, which is nice. It's got a stereo microphone, I believe. And you got the standard micro SD HDMI charging port on one side, and two USB, standard USB 3, and battery indicator and power on indicator, headphone microphone jack, pretty much basic. It would have been nice to have a Type-C port there, but they don't have. So that's the Core i3, that's the new logo. And let's fire up this baby and see what's going on. Okay, so when it's plugged in, I should get a charging indicator, but I don't. So there we go. Nice, beautiful. Backlit keyboard. MSI logo. Okay, in my opinion, that's a tool. You press in with a tool to disconnect the battery. That first hole. It is not actually a LED light. Okay. The viewing angle is fantastic, as you can see from the camera. You can even see what's on the screen from that angle. No reflection. Very thin bezel, very beautiful indeed. I actually like this more than the HP. It's got a nice curve going in. It's actually very beautiful. So privacy buttons, webcam, trackpad on and off. By default they work as the function keys. I don't know what that does. The webcam on, webcam, maybe that's the backlight of the keyboard. Yep, 1, 2, 3, 3 settings. And the brightness. Okay. Alright. Yep, choose our language.
There, I'm Cortana, and I'm here to help.
Okay.
A little sign in here.
I am actually gonna take a image of the Windows 10, put it onto a spare drive. So I'm just gonna say yes for everything. The PC name is MSI. Okay. That's a bit stupid, isn't it, off the factory? If you buy 20 of these in the same office, there's going to be a conflict of names. They all have the name MSI. So that's one problem out of the box. They didn't do the imaging properly. It's for home use anyway, so they don't expect you to use this for office. I like these buttons, they're nice and big. And they look beautiful. They've got that elegant feel. Very sturdy. Have a look at the device manager. So I'll connect to HDMI. You can see inside together. Have a look at the specs. Alright. We'll do triplicate. Yep, sweet. Ooh, nice. Okay. No thanks. Because audio can go out of the HDMI connector. Okay. Okay. Alright, let's have a look. Okay, so let's have a look. i3 Tiger Lake, 10 nanometer. Okay. Nice. 4 gigahertz. Wow. Okay. Ships with March 19 BIOS. DDR4. Intel UHD, okay. Alright, I think that's about it, and maybe check the camera quality. Yeah, it can pick up dark areas very nice. It's got probably an infrared. Yeah, it does. Yeah. Putting my hand over it. Try the black gloves. Of course, nothing. Okay, sweet. And what else? Maybe just check the apps that it comes with. Yeah, a couple of bloatware that can go. Any MSI software? No. Okay. Yeah, that's about it. Oh yeah, just the hard drive. Have a look at the hard drive. What is it? So this will be okay, so that's a OM 8 PDP 3356B M.2 2280. That's a NVMe. Yeah, nice speeds. Well, not the best, but it is good. Here we go. M2 PCIe Gen 3 NVMe 1.3. Sweet. That's the end of the video. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.